Well, this is kind of an unexpected kickoff video, primarily because I didn't think I was going to be able to get this thing for quite a while. The round 2 Razor Crest I've got on pre-order over at Cultvman, and still not sure. They're saying mid 2022. This has been available for some time over in Europe, and there's a couple of UK sellers. One that I've seen quite a few times when I would go in and do a Google search, 100 Hobbies. And then there's another one, WWSM, which I think is Worldwide Shipping something. The 100 Hobbies had it for $71.99, which is what I paid for this, plus tax, which came to $77.75. Shipping was free, and shipping was fast. I got this in like 4 or 5 days. I mean, it was very quick. It was delayed, actually 5-6 days, because it was delayed in Indianapolis due to weather, but got it insanely fast, and apparently no shipping. Whereas 100 Hobbies, they're charging $15 for shipping with no tracking and 2 to 3 week, $45 with tracking, or $46 with tracking, 2 to 4 days. Again, those 2 websites, 100 Hobbies and WWSM, I've not dealt with, and wasn't really willing to take the chance. I'm sure they're perfectly good companies, but I stumbled across this seller, which is Contrast Sports, also known as SMJ Sports, on eBay. And I figured, geez, how could I go wrong on eBay? I've got eBay and PayPal to back me up, and here it is. I mean, I'm so happy. I do plan on doing quite not a super over the top, but there will be animation done, and full lighting and things like that. But I wasn't expecting to start this. I'm not going to start it, but I wasn't expecting to get this for quite some time. I can't start it because I'm still doing the Combox, but I wasn't expecting to get this kit for quite some time, because, as I said, wasn't available anywhere here in the States that I could find, and the European sellers, of course, you have to deal with the cost of shipping, except this Contrast Sports on eBay, no shipping, just paid my local sales tax through eBay, and boy, I couldn't be happier. So I'm going to check, because there was a lot of complaints about the texture on this thing, and I really didn't see a whole lot that was going to be problematic, but then again, I'm not really a stickler like some of the other builders that frequent the RPF. And let's see, I guess it was on the bottom here, because the top, here we go. All right, definitely kind of a lot of impact from China to the UK and then to here, but nothing that is going to really, I think, impact the build. I don't see any damage on the box. Was in beautiful shape. Came FedEx, so this is going to be kind of a rambling video, but I'm so happy. The concern with the round 2 has always been the concern for either a lack of an interior or no clear indication that there was an interior except for the cockpit. And I've seen a couple of videos of builds on these things, and the interior, as I'm seeing right now, is just very satisfying. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this build. Okay, the door, I'm going to have to make that from scratch to do what I want to do. Yeah, or I'll figure out something. Anyways, Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Ahead of time. Could not be happier. I'm going to look under the microscope and see, am I seeing texture here that would have me concerned? Yeah, I don't think they did this to save money. I think this was intentional. And I don't think there's a problem with it personally, but that's just my opinion, and definitely is not going to impede my enthusiasm or the build. And is it carried out throughout the model? Oh, this is such a cool kit. I just could not be happier. I mean, this was such a fluke, because I was giving up hope to find any availability here in the States for any time, any reasonable time. Yeah, the texture is throughout the model. It's on all the pieces, so I have no problem with it. Definitely not anything I'm going to get annoyed with. Yeah, let me see. There was a comment about where they had placed all the copyright and company text. Oh, there it is. Oh God, jeez, that could be taken off so easily, and it's... Oh, I see why the concern, because it's on the... is that the inside? I think, is that the inside of the RAM? I think that may be the inside. I'll have to take a look at the instructions. Not a big deal. I can definitely get rid of that. I mean, I kind of wish they would have put it someplace else, but definitely not anything that would keep me from buying the kit. All right, one of the things that I wanted to do. How hard is it going to be to do? See where they did that. Okay. Yeah, I'm just so jazzed. The cockpit looks okay, and will definitely be easy to light that. Was a baby Yoda supposedly included here in this kit, or just the Mandalorian? I'll have to look in the instructions, because I don't see. Anyways, let me end this video. This is just kind of annoying. If you're looking for a Mandalorian and Razor Crest, and you're here in the States, I would definitely go to eBay and get in contact with Contrast Sports. They, as far as I'm concerned, have just absolutely the best customer service, because I didn't have to deal with them. I placed my order and I got it, and I'm very, very happy with how quickly it got here. Stay tuned for progress on this, but it's not going to be until after I get the first pair of comm locks done. I'll pick this up later. Bye!